There, Ralph here. If you want to learn how to decorate your house, your office, restaurant walls, ceiling, the only thing you need, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and share these videos with your friends. And please watch the videos to the end, because at any time and any second I can share very useful tip and for you. And this week I'm going to start a new videos about the tools. We will describe every week a new tools that we will use in our project. We will describe about the plumber, how to use that, what kind of plumber very useful for our project. I want to show you the work I have done in 25 years. I don't have some of them because I didn't know about my YouTube channel, but I have plenty of them to show you the content. Let's jump on a computer to take a quick look at those pictures. Okay, here is some drywall work, and we have a drywall work, a very beautiful figure on a ceiling, and you see a gypsum modeling, and this is a drywall work, very hard work. And in backlights, you see how beautiful it looks and how gorgeous and very expensive this work, how expensive this work, these things from the gypsum. That here is we have a drywall, and we didn't use any kind of expensive materials here, but this work really looks very expensive. You see, the only thing we have, the only expensive thing here is a marble floor. You see this looks like a carpet, very expensive work, marble work, but on the wall and ceiling it's not very expensive. Only gypsum, 3D walls. And here we have a drywall work. So it's a very this is a place for the closet, and here we have a gypsum modeling, and you see how how fantastic this work looks. This marble very expensive, walls, ceiling not so expensive. Have the same work, and the only expensive thing here is the doors. See, drywall work, I did this about 15 years ago, and here we have a 3D panels for the bedroom, and inside these 3D panels we have a mirror. You see how great it looks. And here we have a backlights, and here we have a gypsum modeling, and here we have a spotlights. You see, and this is woodworking. Here is a wallpaper. This wallpaper very expensive, and this is the same room that I shared recently with you, and you see how amazing this work. And here we have a very big bathtub here, and you see this is a comb, and this is a drywall work.
Here we have recovered this, but I don't have a ready picture of this. Here we have lights, and you see how amazing it looks. And this is not my work. We bought these things ready and installed. Here we have backlights, woodworking, and fire space here. Okay, here's the kitchen. We will do in the future the furniture. If you guys see, here we have a closet. This is a decorated ceiling with the drywall and gypsum modeling. The same thing we have here. And I want you to follow me and support our channel. I will share everything with you, how to do these things. Here we have a very amazing view to the Caspian Sea. This sun, and we painted it the gold, and this and clouds. Here we have a backlights in real photo. You see how amazing it looks. Okay, you see, this is my work. I did it about maybe 12 years ago. Same project. Here we have a room for kids.